RCP-2 installation and use tutorial. First of all, align the 3% connector of the base with the ball and tighten it. Lock it on the tripod. Attach the stabilizer to the remote camera base. The stabilizer latch is locked. Attach the stiffener to one side of the stabilizer. Secure with shorter spongy screws. Install the V-buckle on the stiffener rod. Secure with longer spongy screws. Then plug the V-port battery. Install the handle battery on the adapter. Buckle to stiffener lock. Line the SDK protocol with the NATO port on the other side of the stabilizer, clockwise tightening. Install the L bracket in. Stabilizer fastener plate on the M support. Secure with half-round head screws. Install the camera remote control on the L bracket and tighten it. Finally, the camera is installed. Start wiring. Stabilizer control line. Connect to the SDK protocol. One end of the remote camera base SDK interface. D-tap to DC power supply cable for port B. One end is connected to a battery jack. One end of the remote camera base. DC to DC power supply cable. Connect one end to the battery handle adapter jack. One end of the remote camera base. Type-C power cable. One end is connected to the stabilizer power supply port. Connect one end to the power supply port of the camera remote control. Camera zoom control cable. Connect to the camera remote control. Head on camera. The remote control camera base is connected to the antenna. Connect the camera remote control to the antenna. Press the battery switch to activate. To power the stabilizer, put the remote control on the camera base. Frequency band of remote control. Set the camera remote to the same frequency. Turn the camera remote on. Turn the remote on. When the signal light flashes, the remote control can be carried out. Can control stabilizer translation, pitch, horizontal roll-up. The camera can be controlled to take pictures. Camera recording. Camera zoom. Cancel recording. It can also control DJI's coke motor. Type-C power cable. One end of the stabilizer. Connect one end to the coke motor. You can control the coke motor. Keyframe save display. Set keyframe 1. Set keyframe 2. Set keyframe 3. Set keyframe 4. Press the top of the remote control to return number 1, number 2, number 3 for keyframe display. Camera control line. Head-to-head camera. One end is connected to the remote camera base. You can control the zoom of the camera. Camera focus. The aperture of the camera.